Welcome to Sonika Anand Academy. Now we learn what is Earth and what is solar system and different points regarding that. Now there are a lot of objects in the sky which we see in the night. They are known as celestial bodies. So the definition of the celestial bodies is all the objects in the sky, these are known as celestial bodies. Now what are the examples of celestial bodies? That is the sun and the moon which we saw in the sky are the examples of celestial bodies. Now in the sky there is lot of sun and moons, they are all revolving around in our sky, that all together makes a galaxy. So millions of stars together, they form a group and this is termed as galaxy. We are living in a galaxy. The name of that galaxy is the Milky Way. Actually, high above in the sky, in the universe, there's a system in which the sun is in the middle and there are some planets which are the celestial bodies. They are revolving around the sun in the elliptical path. See, so all of them constitute the solar system. So what is the definition of the solar system? The sun, the planets and all the celestial bodies which are moving around the sun, they constitute the solar system. Now around the sun there are 8 planets which are revolving around the sun. The name of that 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. So these are the name of the planets. They revolve around the sun in the elliptical orbit. Now as I told you that planets are revolving around the sun and different objects, they are moving in the sky. So there are 2 types of motion. One is revolution and other is rotation. When a body revolves around a celestial body in an elliptical path, then it is revolution. And when a body moves around its axis of rotation, then it is termed as rotation. Along with the planets, there are some more celestial bodies which revolve around the planet. These are termed as satellites. So all the celestial bodies which revolve around the planets are known as satellites. As we saw in the sky in the night, the moon. So moon is the natural satellite which revolves around the planet Earth. Now there are some more satellites which are made by man. They are also revolving around the earth, but they are made by man, so these are known as artificial satellites. So man-made satellites which revolve around the earth are known as artificial satellites. These satellites are very useful to us. They give us weather reporting. Because of them we are able to see the TV, etc. Along with the celestial bodies like sun, moon, earth, planets, there are some more celestial bodies. They are termed as asteroids. ASTERIODS. So these are the celestial bodies. They are found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and they are also revolving around the sun. So definition of the asteroid is celestial bodies revolving around the sun between the orbits of Mars and the Jupiter. They are known as asteroids. There are some more objects in the sky which also moves around the sun, but they move around the sun in a very long elliptical orbits. So these are termed as comets. So the definition of the comet, what is comet? The objects which moves around the sun in long elliptical orbits, they are termed as comets. For example, the Halley comet. Now in the night when we saw the sky, there are a lot of stars in the sky in the night. When we observe them, when we notice them, we found that they form a group of pattern of stars. So group of stars forming a definite pattern like a polar bear, etc. They are termed as constellation. Sometimes some objects when revolving around the universe, they fall under the gravity of the earth. And when they fall under the gravity of the earth, they are known as meteoroids. And when these meteors enter the earth atmosphere, they started burning, and these burning meteors, they are called as shooting stars, and they didn't reach on the surface of the earth, and they completely burn in the air. So all the meteors which completely burn in the air, they are termed as shooting stars. Actually, whenever we observe in the sky, we find that moon is always not in the spherical shape. Its shape is always increasing and decreasing from time to time. It is because of the sunlight which falls on the moon. That's why we see only a part of the moon. So these are different portions which we see are known as different phases of the moon. Now thank you guys. This is whole about the earth and the solar system. If you want live classes or the coaching classes online, book a free demo class. Thank you.